In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a thread conversation in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to kick off a thread so your team can keep side discussions organized without cluttering the main channel. First, open Slack and head to the channel where the conversation is happening. A channel is simply a shared space for a team or project, and messages flow down the screen in a timeline. Find the specific message you want to branch off from. This could be a question someone asked, an update that needs follow-up, or any post that would benefit from a focused discussion. It's helpful to pick a single, clear message so everyone understands what the thread is about. Now, move your mouse pointer over that message. When you hover directly on it, Slack reveals a small row of quick actions. Give it a second if you don't see them right away, and make sure your cursor is on the body of the message rather than the empty space around it. Among these icons, look for the one that looks like a speech bubble. In many Slack layouts, it's also labeled Reply in Thread when you hover over it. This icon only appears when your pointer is on the message, so staying hovered is key. Click the speech bubble icon. The moment you do, Slack opens a panel on the right side of your screen. That panel is the thread tied to the message you selected, and the original message becomes the anchor at the top. From here on, anything related to that subtopic can live neatly in this side panel, keeping the main channel clean and easy to scan. You've now started the thread, and teammates can follow along, reference the original context, and keep the discussion focused in one place. A quick bit of context on why this matters. Threads help separate deep dives from general chatter. If a message needs clarifying questions, decisions, or quick back and forths, starting a thread prevents the channel from getting noisy. It also makes it much easier to catch up later because all the related replies are grouped where they belong, right next to the message that kicked everything off. If you ever hover over a message and don't see the speech bubble, try moving your cursor slightly until the action row appears. And remember, the thread is always connected to that original message in the channel, so anyone who needs the full context can find it instantly. That's all there is to it. Go to a message in a channel, hover to reveal the comment icon, then click it to start the thread from that message.